Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and signing in. Install Visual Studio with the Git and Azure DevOps components and generate a personal access token in Azure DevOps with CodeScope. Once done, sign into Visual Studio with the same Microsoft account you used to create the Azure DevOps organization, so credentials match. This prevents permission mismatches. Next, open Team Explorer or the NuGet menu. We move immediately into connecting a repo, so keep the token handy for authentication prompts. Now you connect and sync the repository. In Visual Studio, choose Clone or Connect to a project in Team Explorer, paste the Azure DevOps repo URL, and pick a local folder. When prompted, authenticate with the personal access token. This lets Visual Studio push and pull. Once cloned, open the solution and set the remote named Origin if it isn't set automatically. Make sure branch mapping is correct. Select main or your release branch, so pulls and pushes go to the expected branch. Finish by committing and pushing changes. Use the Git Changes window to stage and commit, then push to send commits to Azure DevOps. For collaboration, create a pull request in Azure DevOps for reviews, alternatively fetch and merge locally to integrate updates. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: if authentication fails, regenerate the personal access token, clear cached Visual Studio credentials, sign back in, and retry the push. This resolves most permission and token expiry issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.